Good morning. This is Empress Angelissa 333, and I am coming to do a reading today. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Please support the content. I got this download. Law officials block the truth about the crime, some type of crime or some type of crime coming out. I received this download. So it's something going on, and I was guided to use my past life deck. This is something that could have even happened in the past life that they're trying to recreate now. There's something going on. So let's see what this is about. If you're new here, like I said, like and subscribe. I thank you for those who have been supporting the content. Thank you. Leaving or travel. So something about travel. Trying to forbid you from traveling. Let's see what's going on. Celtic energy. Yeah, I got this deck a long time ago, and I think I used it maybe once or twice. So So, leave or travel has never come out when I use this. Let me check this out and make sure. So the monk or nun, it says, you draw this card as a result of your past lifetimes as a monk or a nun or someone similar. This means that you have lived a life full with isolation, rules, and spiritual devotion. Wow. Yeah, so you notice that you have a tendency to isolate yourself. You're more comfortable by yourself. It's kind of that hermit energy as well. Leaving and travel. You draw this card because of an old pattern spanning several lifetimes that involves travel or leaving. You may notice in this lifetime that you are a vagabond, of some sorts, and you'll continually be moving. You may wish to travel often or seek out a career in which you can do so. You may also tend to move to a new home more frequently. So you're one of those people who like to leave, basically like to move around. A nomad of some type, if you get what I'm saying, and it said that as well. Your relationships may also involve you leaving your partner or being left by a partner who travels. So that could be something in that energy as well. And you could identify with your Celtic bloodline as well. I've gotten Celtic a few times, so definitely. Yeah, you could have had a past life. You could have had significant past lives in a Celtic land. You continue to feel bonded to that culture. Perhaps you lived or visited that island of Ireland, Scotland, Wales, or England. If so, you may have a sense of deja vu. So you could have some type of Anglo, you could have been Anglo in your past life, basically. You have some type of drawn energy there. That old religion, that Celtic land, okay, involves healing herbs and gaining wisdom from oak trees. You could even have an ancient druid energy, or you are ancient druid in disguise. So you're connected to that realm. That's why you could have a love of fairies, elves, all kind of things, love of trees, oak, willow. So definitely that energy, okay. Old English. I heard Old English. Ancient language. So something about that energy with this, okay? So put that up there. That's for somebody. I was guided to use that. Fairy of the green world, the natural world needs you. Like I said, you could have some type of connection to fairies. Faceless ghost and a haunted girl. So ghost people. You could have sweet memories. Ancestors, sweet memories, dried flower fairy. Okay. Give us one more, Spirit. Oh. Dress of alchemy, that's what flipped. So you dress for alchemy, yeah. So you do have some connection to fairies. Yeah, I fell out. Fairy of the green world, the natural world needs you. And pink locust fairy, it's a time for spirit. Definitely your ancestors here. You could be being haunted, or these people are being haunted. Strangely lonely. Holding on way too tight. They were holding on way too tight. Stifled, bored, and stuck, trying to hold you. It's time for spirit to clean something out of your energy of these people trying to have you stuck, stifled, holding on to you. I'm telling you something about that leaving energy. And it's an important end for a new beginning for you, which at the end of the world. Yeah, I'm telling you, something your ancient energy. With that green, you know what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. Yeah, stifled, stuck, and bored. Yeah, they were holding on way too tight. So it's time for spirit. It's time for your ancestors, like I said. People could be getting haunted. You could have sweet memories of these people, but definitely dress of alchemy. Release your power. Release your power. Yeah, gotta get these people off you. That's the energy I'm getting. Because it's time for spirit. Definitely. Law officials are blocking the truth about a crime against humanity, a crime against you. And it's something about past life as well. Marriage. Could be somebody you were married to, or a married couple. March 16th could be significant to somebody, but this married couple or somebody you're married to, they're in their thoughts. They're in their thoughts. About a gift. What are they in there? They're in their thoughts about a gift. Okay. Give us one more, Spirit, to help us clarify a little bit more of this. About a gift. Yeah. So this married couple could be in poverty, or you were in poverty. Because it says holding on way too tight. So they could have been holding on to a gift way too tight. You could have been in poverty. Or they're in their thoughts about poverty, Spirit. Oh, okay. What is this poverty? Yeah. Because whoever the main female is in this marriage, they were a thief. They stole some type of great fortune. Some money was taken. Something was taken from you. Definitely a huge crime. Yeah, a house, privileged lady. Could have taken a house, a gift of a house. From you, privileged lady, you could have been, yeah. This person was a fake privileged lady. So the gift they took was a home. Could even be some type of wealth. And this person is not a privileged lady. This is a false person that worked hard, toil and labor. Now they're in despair with this main male. So this could be this married couple. Yeah, this courtship. They're in despair. Yeah, because she's not a privileged lady, but she could have used her work with toil and labor, could even use their work to steal this. Because they were trying to change something. Yeah. This wealthy male used their occupation, like I said. So both of them could even use their occupation. Yeah, because they were on a journey to this sudden wealth. In a distant horizon, they're going to be in bad health for what they did. Yeah. Wow. So there you go. Okay. So this is a whole community with the family. Oh, wow. So you had a wealthy male. The people were using their occupation. Like I said, this person could have been in the court with the official situation, somebody could work for the court. Both of them could have used their occupations, could even been in law enforcement, their wealth. But this wealthy male used their occupation. Okay? So we're going to put this here because it's something about this wealthy male and their occupation. Okay? But in the distant horizon, they know there's bad health, especially to their wealth, basically. But the issue that they're having is somebody was not privileged. They were false. And they could have been working hard or using their work to steal, to hide this crime. But now you have with this family or a family unit, whatever this is, you had a mature woman who had high honor. This could even been some type of title, leadership, basically in the courthouse. Could even been a judge, courthouse. High honor in the courthouse. Could even been an attorney. This was somebody's lover or lovers. Take it where it resonates, but lover. Expectation was this mature male and mature woman. There was an expectation of some type of unexpected income here from whatever they were doing, okay? And you could have been the child of these people, of this community, or you were innocent in this community. They were expecting this in this family room. Like I said, they were expecting this. Yeah. And they were expecting somebody, official person. They were expecting some type of message, or there's some type of decision that's being given here. With adjudication, it's a message, it's a decision. Okay? Yeah. So they're expecting a message. It could be about a passing, imprisonment here. But they definitely got a message of concern for a pathway that they chose, and this is why they're concerned. So there could be a imprisonment energy here, or you could even been in prison, but there's also a ending here with the death. So these people went on this journey. You had a mature male, you had a privileged lady, you had you could be the main female, but you had a privileged lady, a wealthy male, a mature male, and a mature woman, and a main male that were all a part of this family unit with the family room. People using their jobs, even using their connections and courtships, relationships, lovers to do this crime, to cover something up. And these could have been past life karmics or whatever, but it's something about your past life that is connected to what is happening now in your energy. Let me grab some of these. Definitely. Make sure you can see that. Okay. Bottom, well, top. Government is watching somebody. Okay, let's see what's going on, Spirit. Ooh, the setup planned at your house. Some type of setup could have been planned at your house. Governor cover-up is at the bottom. Let's see if it comes out. All right, Spirit, what's coming out in the energy? What do we need to know? What's going on with these people? Ooh, look where it flipped to. Senator. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's grab another pile. This whole pile fell out, so we're going to put it back. So let's see. Some type of imprisonment. And we had coffin cards. So some type of ending. It could be even an ending to somebody being in prison as well. Because you could have even been framed for something. Take it where it resonates. Okay? Let's see what's going on. There's a lot going on in the energy. But I feel like this is something for a lot of people of what was happening to somebody and the crimes that people were covering up. And they were using their positions, their titles. They were using things to take from somebody. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, hating but secretly watching. Somebody name could be Shalice. And we have a man of power, paid people. So paid people, we're going to find that out. Somebody's name could begin with an A, B, C, or D. First name, last name. Something could have been scheduled, like I said. Somebody could have a chrome top or something about a car or a home. I don't know. Yeah. The truth of who you really are. There could have been some type of PPP loan, some type of loan on something about that time period. That was 2020. You could have a government agent father that was involved. Definitely. Confidential informant here. You had a stepchild that wanted to be rich and famous. This could have been why a lot of this stuff was going on. Take it where it resonates as well. And look, split up your money, your gifts. Could even been an ex-boss that helped. Like I said, with somebody working hard, toiling labor, their work. Yeah, witnesses lied in court on you, family, and your ex. It was perjury. Wow. So somebody had a lot of people need to control you for her safety. So yeah, some type of takeover. So whichever one of these women in this energy, because we had a false person with the feminine, the privileged lady, maybe your masculine, because said your ex, they were using this man to control you, because I guess the woman felt she couldn't control him or control, she couldn't come at you, so she used him. Okay, look, set up plan at your house. So they could have been setting up plans at your house, something about 7 days. So something could be coming out within 7 days. 7 days is significant. Cybersecurity. New laws on conservatorship. They could even lied in court and made it seem like you weren't able to care for something or care for yourself. Maybe something to do with you being able to leave or conservatorship. Every time I get this, I tell people, think of Britney Spears, what her family did to her, and you get what I'm saying about conservatorship, how they made it seem like she was unable to care for herself. And cybersecurity, watching something about cybersecurity, she was unable to care for herself, so they can control her money, control her. Okay, watcher, controller. They had dictatorship. Look, some type of impending doom is going to happen with these people, and all their relationships will be hell on earth. When you try to destroy somebody like this, their relationships, maybe with their children, their spouses, there's nothing in your life that is going to be wonderful, especially when you're trying to do this to somebody that didn't do anything to you just so you can get a gift or some money. Like, this is crazy. No wonder these people's lives and relationships could be pure hell. There's a female detective involved. They could be a part of some type of Mason cult or something. Oh, wow. So there was a kidnap attempt that failed. They tried at 3 a.m. maybe? In the morning? Or something about 3 a.m. Check out this reading. I actually did this reading. They could have done something on New Year's. It's a backfire. Maybe they tried this on New Year's to you. Yeah, your ancestors ain't letting that happen. Surprise witness. So there could be a surprise witness that's going to testify or something going on in court. But they planned this at your house with your, I guess your ex-spouse or somebody, or yeah, no job. You got played. So whoever this is, somebody lost their job. They got played trying to set up people. So you lost your job doing this. Yeah, unalive you in your sleep. That was the plan. That was the plan. Wow, okay. Wow. Look, you're not aging. Something about your past life. You're not aging. So they could have tried already. I know, I don't know how many other people have experienced this, but I know in my situation, they tried this in my sleep. Yeah. And it was shocking. The next day, I saw the looks in people's eyes, and I'm like, money rituals tied money on their hair. So somebody could have been doing some type of money rituals to attract money. They were tying money to their hair. New money. So you could have got some type of new money. 2008 could have been significant. So they could have been doing this since 2008. That's for somebody. Yeah, look, the government is watching you. Yeah, they walk up the block to the meeting spot. So this is in your neighborhood. It's a family room. This could be, like I said, family meeting at your home. They have a meeting spot where they meet up. But the government's watching them. Inheritance rules will change. So the crime was stealing something from you, some type of inheritance, trying to get some type of conservatorship over somebody so they can steal. And I guess once something got found out in court, because it said something about imprisonment, somebody was trying to end somebody's imprisonment in Jew, but something got detected, I feel like, with something they were doing in court. A thief got outed, is what I heard. So they decided that you couldn't be a part of life anymore, if you catch what I'm saying. Oh yeah, public shaming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you could be a little girl. Not now, but I'm saying you could be a girl. This could have been happening since you were a little girl, is what I'm saying. Phone job, medical billing. So somebody could have some type of phone job, something about medical billing, maybe even in your records. My chart. My chart? I'm hearing my chart. Somebody named could be Travis. Yeah, male neighbor. You even had a male neighbor. I'm telling you, it's people in your community could have been a part of watching somebody because you are a certain energy, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, a security officer could be involved, or you were a security officer. Somebody could be obese. I mean, big person, you know what I'm saying? Nationwide insurance. The father-in-law is evil, so this could have been your ex, your masculine, and their family, because it definitely talks about family being involved, because he lied, and even probably even your stepchild, they lied. I saw that card. Look, witnesses lied in court on you, family and ex, your ex. They perjured themselves. Like I said, they could have said that you couldn't take care of yourself. Yeah, but there was a divine worker in the group. See, people have to understand that. You doing wicked stuff like this, especially to somebody who is highly protected here, to steal their some type of inheritance or whatever, God always has one of his people working too. Okay? You will get your monthly payments back. So you were supposed to get some type of money from some type of inheritance, some type of property or something, and these people were trying to steal it. Shipyard? Oh, I've been getting this. Okay, I've been getting this Navy shipyard card. I wrote it down and it kept coming out and said it's something about this shipyard. So if you resonate with that, if you grew up in the area, especially by the docks or something, it's something to do with property. It's something to do with property. It's something to do with some type of monthly payment, inheritance. It's something to do that you were supposed to get some type of money from, that these people worked together to steal. And when they couldn't, when they were stealing or they got caught, I feel like a lot of people were stealing, but they got caught. Somebody worked in a higher position, so they used their titles, their positions, to try to cover up something. And they tried everything here, because I've definitely been pulling on that. They even tried to take you. That failed. To unalive you. That failed. Using, look, court case, your parents' stolen child. You could have been stolen since you were a little girl. Yeah. A cold case. I'm sorry, I said court case. Cold case. Your parents' stolen child. Yo. This card fell out and I put it back. So this was significant. Okay, it fell out in that little pile that was here, but I put it back. So like I said, you could have had abusive parents. You could have been stolen. Oh, wow. I put that back, too, because it fell out in this little pile. I said, well, it didn't come out with the other one, so that was something significant. All right, Spirit. Yeah. You're going to have a new job. Or somebody got a new job, but I guess the intent was to humiliate you. But these people going to be publicly shamed here. Yeah. You will never make it to the location. So whatever they was trying to do, your ancestors let, oh, here, I see it right here. Your ancestors, they didn't forget. They letting them know you ain't gonna make it to the location to do something to somebody. So they could even be trying to attempt to do something still. You're not gonna get there. A child of Yemaya. Whoa. That's for somebody. Midnight. They could do something at midnight and 3 a.m. You know, midnight is that magical time. Somebody could drive a Cadillac. Somebody could have got arrested using your stolen info. I did this reading as well, and it's similar energy. Like I said, somebody could have got arrested in prison. The other people was trying to cover it up, whatever they was doing. Look, Airbnb in your house. Check out that reading. So this house, whatever this property is, they could be renting it out. Your gift. They don't want something to be found out, especially if they collected the money for it. Look at that. Handcuff day for officials who helped. You even had a nephew involved. A nephew, a stepson, or a stepchild, whatever. Yeah. You had family members lying in court. You had court officials that were helping them. Yeah, they're going to wear handcuffs too for trying to block the truth about a crime that was committed against you. Wow. And that's somebody's ex-boss. Your ex-boss or this person's boss help to split up your money. Damn. But don't worry, there's a confidential informant in there, and definitely a divine worker. Could be one and the same. But you had a stepchild. I said son. It could be a son or a daughter. But you had a stepchild that was a part of this as well. So a stepchild, an ex-husband, father-in-law. Because we saw mature male, mature woman. Abusive parents, definitely in the energy that was doing all this to get some type of money and fame. Somebody could have even had some type of insurance with Nationwide. It's something to do with this insurance. You even had a male neighbor that was a part of this. Somebody named Travis. And there is a surprise witness here. Confidential informant, y'all. Damn. You got a female detective as well. So you had a man of power in this energy as well. And somebody named Shalise as well. Definitely a wealthy male. Somebody with some with high honor status was a part of this as well. All right, Spirit, help us out. About a home. About a home. Definitely about a home. What they did in your home, about a home. What else is this energy? Desert? They could have been trying to clean something up in the desert. Maybe kidnap you. Something in the desert, clean up. Desert. Fake death. It went sideways, but a fake death. Wow, Spirit. Tell us more about this crime, the truth about this crime that these law officials, yeah, these people, look, alliances, partners in crime. Can't make this stuff up. Legal proceedings. Yeah. Wow. About an accident. Legal proceedings. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Devil. The devil's secrets. Ooh. So, Wow, somebody could be mad as well. Devil is toxic, materialistic energy. It could be pissed off and mad about these secrets coming out. Yeah, they in regret. This couple, you see they older as well. Could be, like I said, mother-in-law, father-in-law, abusive parents, your mother and father, or this couple's. They in regret. Very devil energy. Oh, I can't even. Whew. I told you who they attacked. Abuse, alien energy, aliens, abuse. This came out in the other reading the other day. A reincarnation energy. I'm gonna kind of keep it. You abuse somebody that you wasn't supposed to be abusing in the legal system, legal proceedings. You were using the law to do something to somebody that you weren't allowed to abuse or neglect. That's why ancestors ain't forgot what you did. Not everybody you can do something to. Wow, spirit. This couple. And they secrets again. I cannot make this stuff up, y'all. This is a man-made disaster here. Wow, somebody may even go in a plane crash. Natural disaster. This affair, whatever they created, it's bad. It's bad here. It's really bad. All right, Spirit, give us some more about this female detective, this man of power, with these people, what they was doing. Yeah, your family. People you had a bond with, background with. Like I said, they're being haunted by your ancestors because of who you are. It's an important ending for a new beginning because of who you are. It's time for spirit. Because these people were holding on way too tight, trying to keep you stuck, stifled, whatever they was trying to do. But the natural world needs you. You're here for a reason. That's why these people are worried. With hesitation, worried for the decisions that they made. They could be confused. Yeah, because they indulged in doing something to somebody they wasn't supposed to do something to for money. That's why they worry. They know what's up. They know what's up. You abuse somebody you wasn't supposed to abuse. That's why they in regret. Somebody could have faked the death. Or they I don't know what this fake death energy could have, in court. So in court they could have said maybe even you passed, or they faked some type of death for insurance. Because this is all about insurance, money, a home, getting over, getting something. This married couple, these couples. That's why, Spirit. Okay, that's why you wanted me to go from past life, because it's something connected to this. This is okay. Sometimes I'll be like, Spirit, I don't, but I get it. I get it. I get it. Wow. Okay. With this witness, lied in court, your family, perjury, your ex and your family, perjury. Yeah. So they could be trying to find some type of balance, juggling something. Two of Pentacles. Okay. I don't know. Help me out, Spirit. That was, devil. Twice the devil. That tells you that this person is materialistic. They were juggling finances, money. Could even be a Capricorn, earth sign. But very toxic, demonic energy here. Materialistic here. Aggressive, angry, abusive energy here. Ooh. Alright, Spirit. Could be this King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could be even somebody in authority. We got a Queen of Cups. Could be a child's mother or a mother figure. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Justice is here. Oh, so justice could be here for you too. Truth, justice, balance. Okay. Nine of Pentacles. So both of you guys, okay. So let's leave the devil energy here. Let's get to maybe who you are, the truth of who you two are and what happened to you. Could be masculine and feminine. Take it where it resonates. I have a Queen of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and a King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You don't have to be these signs. You could be in this energy. But the King of Swords in this energy is somebody that makes a head over heart decision. It's a truth teller energy. Queen of Cups is a motherly energy. Like I said, you could be this person's wife or child's mother, whatever. It's a healer energy, empath energy. Justice is being served in this energy. Something's being made fair, maybe even in the justice system. Nine of Pentacles, self-sufficient, independent energy, financially stable. Six of Wands energy, victory and success, some type of public recognition energy. Three of Wands, you could have been waiting for this. Waiting to travel. We see leaving and travel. Waiting to move forward, expand. Yeah. Oh, wow. So this could have been what you two invested in. This could be some type of investment, results energy with the Seven of Pentacles. It's reap what you sow. And Page of Swords, like I said, these people could be watching. Hating, secretly watching was the first card. Watching, spying. This King of Cups. So this could have been your ex. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Because you're coming out as a Queen of Cups. So maybe who you're going to end up with could be a King of Swords. Because it seems like both of you could have went through something similar. But you had a King of Cups that was a part of this and spying and watching. Page of Swords. Yeah. Seven of Swords was behind it because they're deceptive. So, yeah. Yeah, definitely. You healed from these lies, the deception, star energy, and took a leap of faith. That Fool, Empress. You took that fool's journey. You left. Because they didn't want you to. Yeah, Empress. Yeah. With the World, that's a completing of a cycle. Wholeness. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Spirit. Keep going. Okay. We gonna keep going because I'm telling you. Yeah. Star energy, Earth Angel energy. When you walked away, yeah, you healed, walked away. Yeah. And, okay. So, yeah. Okay, so these people missed an opportunity. Or this King of Cups is sad because they missed an opportunity. They're heartbroken because they were trying to do something malicious, aggressive towards you. Knight of Swords. That's what brought judgment upon them. These people, they're in the Ten of Wands. They're burdened and weighed down. Yeah. Definitely Temperance Angel is here to balance something out. Okay? Bringing balance to whatever this is. Wow. So whoever this emperor is, like I said, this could be your actual emperor that betrayed you here, which I would say not so emperor-ish, but whatever offer, it could even be a authority figure, a father figure, even a boss. Knight of Cups, whatever offer, proposal this was, it was fully was to win at all costs. This is really a saboteur energy here. And they're going to have to defend themselves. You see all the mics in this person's face? And they looking, it's like they doing a press conference. They got to talk. They got to defend themselves with all these people. Some type of public shaming going to happen. Like I said, this could even be an authority figure with that emperor here. Could be a masculine or feminine judge. Somebody of some type of status. Could even have been a boss. They got to defend themselves for whatever offer or proposal that they made here. Yeah. Yeah, your strength, baby. Your destiny, your courage, your self-love. You in this King of Swords energy here. It's going to be all right. The sun is saying it's your destiny and it's going to be all right. The sun, the wheel. This is destined. This is fated. So, you got a King of Swords and a Queen of Cups that this has been going on. This has been happening to you. So I got a masculine and feminine energy here that seems to have been going through something. And you got all these devilish, toxic people that were trying to create some type of imbalance. They going through an imbalance. They trying to find some balance. Whatever this is, these are the people that was a part of it. And the ringleader is this King of Cups. And it seems like this was your masculine, because y'all came out as each other's counter. Could even been your family, Ten of Cups. Somebody you had a family with, like I said, your ex. Could even been a father. But they gonna wear those handcuffs. Definitely a man of power. And I feel that's that emperor energy. Definitely. I just want to know if this stepchild wanted to be famous. That's crazy. Even a stepchild? So you could have took care of this masculine child or been a part of their life, whatever, as being stepchild, and they was trying to sacrifice you too? Yeah. All right, spirit, for this money, this luck, this jackpot. But it was an illusion. They was daydreaming. Whatever they was daydreaming about, getting this money to sacrifice you, yeah, they gotta stop. Because this stepchild was your enemy. You could never trust this person. Distrustful energy. And I know that may break somebody's heart. I'm sorry that this person was strategizing against you, planning to hurt you. Let me tell you something. Speaking from somebody who's been through this, I helped raise my stepchild. I met him when he was 3. His mother left him in a hospital, addicted to drugs. And I know you watch her. You're a trash bag. But we all do what we have to do. Okay? So don't worry about it. You're going to get a blessing for that. When you love somebody that's not yours and you help take care of them and they go up to turn on you, don't worry. That curse, that karma, whatever that is embedded in their bloodline because it came from their mama or their daddy, and you showed them nothing but love, don't worry about it. You're going to be blessed for that. I know I am. Look what they looking at. Confinement. Oh, they wanted you. Oh, this is where their destination is, or this is what they wanted for you. Was the goal was to have you confined, have you with a curse, to have you unfree, to cause you a misfortune, to have you stuck. Wow. Through a boosh, sacrifice you through a ritual. This is what they was dreaming about. Doing magic, doing work. Damn, spirit. They could even travel. Explore. Wow. They could even did something in your dream state where they was satisfied. They thought they was going to sleep good at night. Get their dream satisfaction. Wow, that's crazy. Whew, my heart. I feel bad for anybody that had to go through that, because I know what it's like. Father-in-law, they indulged in this ritual too. They was a team. Friendship, they all connected, networked. Your father-in-law, your stepson, all, take it where it resonates. A whole bunch of people, family, somebody's boss, other people teamed up to make sure you didn't get something. And this is divine energy. And I know a lot of people have been going through something like this. So whoever you are, King of Swords, Queen of Swords, you don't have to be these signs, but you're in this energy. This is what this was about. This is what this was about. That's why they teamed up, to cause you an ending. Or this team got to stop, because they was trying to hurt somebody. Yeah. There could be attention about a death, or they was trying to sue you. That has to stop. They were doing something inadequate, yeah, about this real estate, this wealth. All right, thank you guys so much for watching the reading. I hope this gives somebody some clarity, especially this King of Swords, Queen of Cups energy, whoever you are. Shoot, I even felt some of mine in here. So definitely this was a message that needed to go out to the collective. I thank you guys so much. Take care. Please support the channel and have a good day. Take care.